Hey everyone, I'm The Terrain with Server.pro, and Mojang has recently released the second pre-release of 1.17. This pre-release has some bug fixes, but let's not waste any more time and get right into the fixes. To start off, a bug was found in which TNT could be pushed with a knockback sword in previous snapshots, but this bug has been fixed in this latest pre-release. Additionally, arrows fired into the sides of bamboo or pointed dripstone never despawned in previous snapshots, but this bug has been fixed this week. Smooth lighting did not work properly underwater and behaved oddly with blocks covered in tinted glass in previous snapshots, but these bugs were fixed in this latest pre-release. Additionally, facing away from signs with glowing text sometimes made the text disappear in previous versions, but this glitch has also been patched. Nether fossils generated on the nether roof above bedrock in soul sand valleys in previous versions, but this bug has been patched. Additionally, gassed fireballs could be summoned with higher explosion powers, causing freezes in previous versions, but the explosion power tag has now been capped to prevent this from happening. And finally, the idea of flowering azalea leaves was very weird in the previous snapshots, as you can see on screen now. But this pre-release has adjusted its ID name to be more consistent with its actual in-game name. And those are the changes of the second 1.17 pre-release. If you enjoyed and would like to see our coverage of 1.17 when it releases, be sure to like the video and subscribe. And if you'd like to create a free Minecraft server for this 1.17 pre-release, then check out Server.pro or click the link in the description. Thank you for watching. I'm The Terrain. Peace out.